Hello everyone, here it's Medalist 3D, and today I want to share with you my model. I call this model SciFiWorld. You can make your own SciFiWorld by printing 6 different pieces, or actually 6 figures and 1 base. This time I printed just 3 figures. I choose them because I think I like them. It's a crystal, little rocket, and fiction. I call fiction. When you print, you no need to add any raft or support. You can use it different colors, you can use it different printers. I use it this time biodegradable PLA from GearBest, and I get really beautiful result. This is 200 microns, fluorescent base. For the base I use it HOTSE Maker 7 printer. For small figures I use it Anacubic Cosel Plus printer. I think this is the best printer if you want to print some minis. We speak about FDM printers, not SLA or resin printers. We can look a little closely. I add some skull inside. I hope you can see in the video. So I hope you like my model and enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you for the watching.